Have you ever wondered what it feels like to stand in the heart of the Louisiana Nature Reserve? Imagine a place where every breath you take is a symphony of life, a place pulsating with the rhythm of nature. This is the Louisiana Nature Reserve, a sprawling expanse of lush wetlands that serve as the lifeblood of an incredibly diverse ecosystem. Nestled in the southern United States, the Louisiana Nature Reserve is a living, breathing testament to the power of nature. It's a place where land and water intertwine, creating a unique environment that teems with life. The reserve is woven together by a network of waterways, marshes, and swamps, each one humming with a unique blend of plants and animals. This is a world where the air dances with the melodies of countless birds, where every rustle of leaves could signal the presence of a creature, and where the water itself holds a world of secrets below its reflective surface. It's an ecological hotspot, a haven for biodiversity, and a testament to the resilience of nature. The wetlands here are more than just a landscape. They serve as the beating heart of the reserve, pumping life into every corner. They provide a vital habitat for an array of species, some of which can be found nowhere else on Earth. From the majestic great egret soaring in the sky to the elusive alligator lurking in the water, every creature plays a key role in maintaining the balance of this vibrant ecosystem. But the story of the Louisiana Nature Reserve isn't just about the wildlife. It's also about the plants that anchor this ecosystem, from towering bald cypress trees to delicate water lilies. They not only add to the beauty of the reserve, but also play a crucial role in its survival, providing food and shelter for countless species, and helping to protect against erosion and storms. The Louisiana Nature Reserve is a world that thrives on interaction, where each element, no matter how small, contributes to the overall harmony. It's a place that encapsulates the complexity and beauty of nature, serving as a reminder of what we stand to lose if we don't protect these precious ecosystems. This is the heartbeat of the wetlands, a pulsating symphony of life. Picture this: a great egret gracefully skimming the water's surface, a bald eagle soaring high above the cypress trees. In the heart of the Louisiana Nature Reserve, the skies are ruled by an array of majestic creatures. Each day, they paint a breathtaking ballet of feathers on the wind. The sight of a great egret floating above the water, its wings spread wide, is an ethereal vision. These elegant birds with their long necks and bright white feathers are a common sight here, wading through the wetlands in search of fish and frogs. But the great egret is just one member of the diverse avian community that calls the reserve home. The bald eagle, America's national bird, is another awe-inspiring resident. With a wingspan that can reach up to 7 feet, these powerful raptors are a sight to behold as they soar high above the cypress trees, their keen eyes searching for prey. The reserve is also a vital stopover for migratory birds. Imagine thousands of snow geese descending upon the wetlands in a flurry of white feathers and honking calls. It's a spectacle that transforms the reserve into a living, breathing masterpiece. But these migratory birds are more than just seasonal visitors. They are crucial threads in the intricate tapestry of the ecosystem. By transporting seeds and nutrients, they help to maintain the biological diversity of the wetlands. They are also a key link in the food chain, serving as prey for a variety of predators. But perhaps most importantly, their annual journeys serve as indicators of the health of our planet. Changes in their migration patterns can signal shifts in climate and habitat loss, warning signs that we can't afford to ignore. Yet, these winged wonders face numerous threats. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are all taking a toll. The wetlands they rely on for food and rest during their arduous migrations are disappearing at an alarming rate. But there's hope. Conservation efforts within the reserve are working tirelessly to protect these feathered inhabitants. Wetland restoration projects are recreating lost habitats, providing safe havens for both resident and migratory birds. Monitoring programs are keeping a keen eye on bird populations, helping to identify potential threats before they become insurmountable. These efforts are more than just about protecting individual species. They're about preserving the intricate dance of life that unfolds here every day. They're about ensuring that future generations can also marvel at the sight of a bald eagle soaring overhead, or a flock of snow geese descending upon the wetlands. These are the majestic rulers of the sky, their wings whispering tales of far-off lands. Their presence graces our world with a unique beauty, and their survival is a testament to the resilience of nature. As they take flight, They carry with them our hopes for a future where the call of the wild can continue to echo across the Louisiana Nature Reserve. In the murky depths of the swamp, a pair of eyes breaks the surface. The alligator, the swamp's fearsome guardian. Alligators are more than just the stuff of thrilling tales and movie lore. These magnificent creatures are the true custodians of the wetlands, an essential cog in the wheel of the ecosystem. They are known as a keystone species, a term that signifies their crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance of the swamp. Picture them as the architects of the aquatic world, creating gator holes which retain water in the dry season, providing a sanctuary for various species. The alligator's role extends beyond their engineering feats. Their hunting habits control the population of certain species, preventing an overgrowth that could potentially destabilize the ecosystem. Conversely, their eggs and young serve as a vital food source for other predators. This cycle of life and death, predator and prey, is a delicate dance that keeps the swamp in harmony. But the survival of these guardians was once under severe threat. Overhunting for their prized skin led to a drastic decline in their numbers, pushing them to the brink of extinction. The ecosystem teetered on the edge, the delicate balance disrupted. Enter the conservationists, the unsung heroes of our tale. In the late 20th century, they launched an ambitious program to protect and restore the alligator population. Through stringent hunting regulations and captive breeding programs, they sought to pull the alligators back from the precipice of extinction, and they did not fight alone. The local communities, once the hunters, became their allies, understanding the critical role these reptiles play in maintaining the health of the wetlands. They began to see the alligator not as a commodity, but as a fellow inhabitant of the swamp, essential for its survival. The results of these efforts have been nothing short of miraculous. The alligator population has rebounded, and with it, the ecosystem has flourished. The alligator's recovery is a testament to what can be achieved when humanity acts as stewards of the environment rather than exploiters. Today, the alligator stands as a symbol of hope, a beacon of successful conservation. But the fight is far from over. Climate change, habitat loss, and pollution are new threats they face, threats that require our continued vigilance and action. So, as we marvel at these magnificent creatures, let us remember their vital role as the guardians of the swamp. Let us appreciate their contributions to the intricate web of life that weaves itself around the wetlands. Let us respect their place in the ecosystem and strive to protect it, for in their fearsome jaws lie the balance of the swamp, a testament to the intricate web of life. Behind the chorus of croaking frogs and the flutter of butterfly wings lies a world often overlooked. It's a world that thrives in the shadowy undergrowth and the shimmering surface of marshy pools, a world that plays a crucial role in the health and vitality of our wetlands. This is the realm of insects and amphibians, the tiny voices that make a big impact. Let's start with our amphibian friends. Frogs, toads, and salamanders might not be the first creatures that come to mind when we think of the Louisiana Nature Reserve, but their presence here is of paramount importance. As both predators and prey, they serve as vital links in the food chain, helping to keep insect populations in check and providing a valuable food source for larger animals. But their role goes beyond just eating and being eaten. Amphibians are also known as indicator species. Much like the proverbial canary in the coal mine, their sensitivity to changes in the environment makes them excellent barometers of ecological health. A thriving amphibian population often signals a healthy ecosystem, while declining numbers can be a red flag for pollution, disease, or habitat destruction. Insects, too, play an underappreciated role in our wetlands. From the mesmerizing dance of the dragonflies to the industrious work of the ants, these miniature marvels are an essential part of the web of life. They pollinate plants, decompose dead matter, and serve as a food source for a variety of creatures. Their diversity and abundance are a testament to the richness of the wetland ecosystem. The importance of these tiny voices has not gone unnoticed. Conservation efforts in the Louisiana Nature Reserve are increasingly focusing on the protection of these often overlooked inhabitants. From monitoring amphibian populations to creating insect-friendly habitats, these initiatives aim to ensure that the chorus of croaking and buzzing continues to echo through the wetlands. Yet, challenges abound. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change pose serious threats to these fragile creatures. Invasive species, too, can disrupt the delicate balance, outcompeting native species and altering the ecosystem in ways that can be hard to predict or reverse. But there is hope. Through collaborative efforts, scientists, conservationists, and local communities are working tirelessly to safeguard these tiny voices. They're undertaking habitat restoration projects, conducting research to better understand the needs and threats facing these creatures, and educating the public about the importance of insects and amphibians to our wetlands. It's a testament to the fact that size doesn't always equate to significance. From the smallest ant to the loudest frog, each creature has a role to play, a voice to be heard. Their presence, their actions, their very existence contributes to the symphony of life that makes our wetlands so vibrant, so alive. Though their voices may be small, their impact is mighty. So let's take a moment to appreciate these tiny voices and the big impact they have on our world. After all, a chorus is only as strong as each individual voice, and every voice matters, no matter how small. Amid the wild dance of animal life stands the silent strength of the green. Here in the Louisiana Nature Reserve, the verdant tapestry of plant life weaves a story of resilience and vitality. The flora of the wetlands, from towering bald cypress trees to delicate water lilies, play a crucial role in supporting this vibrant ecosystem. Imagine, if you will, the majestic bald cypress, standing tall with its roots submerged in water. These trees are the sentinels of the swamp, their gnarled roots creating a refuge for countless creatures, and their broad canopies providing shelter from the elements. Their presence is a testament to the power of resilience, with some living for well over 1,000 years. But their importance extends beyond providing habitat. The bald cypress also plays a vital role in preventing soil erosion, its tangled web of roots firmly anchoring the muddy wetland soil. This function is critical in a landscape where water is a constant force, shaping and reshaping the terrain. Behind every thriving ecosystem, there are unsung heroes tirelessly working to preserve it. And in the heart of the Louisiana Nature Reserve, it's no different. These heroes are the scientists, conservationists, and local communities, dedicating their lives to safeguarding the rich biodiversity of this incredible wetland. Their work is as diverse as the wildlife they protect, from tagging alligators to monitor their health and population, to banding birds to track their migratory patterns. These conservationists are always on the move. They're out in the field, rain or shine, gathering essential data that helps inform their strategies and policies. But their work isn't just about data collection. It's about action. It's about restoring habitats, replanting forests, and reintroducing species. It's about creating a balance between human needs and the wild. It's about ensuring that the whispering wings and croaking choirs continue to fill the air. And yet their work is not without challenges. The threats to our natural world are many, and they are complex. From habitat loss and pollution to climate change and invasive species, the obstacles can sometimes seem insurmountable. But our heroes are undeterred. They face each challenge head-on, armed with determination and a deep love for the natural world. Consider the story of the alligator, once on the brink of extinction due to overhunting and habitat loss. Thanks to the tireless efforts of these conservation heroes, alligator populations have bounced back. Today, they continue to play their vital role as the guardians of the swamp, showcasing the power of successful conservation. Then there are the reforestation programs, breathing new life into the wetlands. Each bald cypress tree planted, each water lily nurtured, is a testament to the resilience of nature and the dedication of those who protect it. These conservation heroes are not just scientists and researchers. They are the local communities who live alongside the wildlife, who understand the rhythm of the wetlands. They are the teachers educating the next generation on the importance of conservation. They are the volunteers giving their time and energy to support these efforts. They are the ordinary people doing extraordinary things to protect our planet. Their successes may not always make the headlines, but their impact is profound. Every species saved, every habitat restored is a victory not just for the Louisiana Nature Reserve, but for our entire planet. For in preserving the wild, we preserve our own future. But this work is not theirs alone. It's ours too. For the conservation of our natural world is a shared responsibility, a collective endeavor that requires each one of us to do our part. They are the stewards of nature, the heroes of our story, and each one of us has the potential to join them, to become a hero of conservation in our own right. Because the wild doesn't just belong to us, we belong to the wild, and its future is our future too. Every story has an end, but this one is just the beginning. The Louisiana Nature Reserve, a vibrant canvas of life, a symphony of biodiversity, is not just a story about nature, but about all of us. It's a story about our collective responsibility to safeguard these natural treasures for generations yet unborn. It's a story about the harmonious symphony that is life on Earth, and the crucial role we play as custodians of this beautiful planet. But as we've seen, it's not just about the majestic birds that soar across the sky, the alligators that govern the swamp, or the whispering wings and croaking choirs that fill the air with life. It's about the people, too. The dedicated conservationists, the tireless scientists, the local communities who pour their hearts and souls into preserving this natural haven. The work they do is remarkable, but they can't do it alone. They need our help. And that's where you come in. Every one of us can play a part in this grand conservation crusade. It doesn't require a biology degree or a pair of hiking boots. All it takes is a commitment to make a difference, whether it's by donating to conservation organizations, volunteering your time at local reserves, or simply spreading the word about the importance of protecting our natural habitats. Learn about the issues, educate your friends and family, share the story of the Louisiana Nature Reserve and the countless other natural wonders that need our help. Remember, every action, no matter how small, can make a world of difference. Plant a tree, pick up litter, support eco-friendly businesses. Every choice we make today shapes the world of tomorrow. So if you've been inspired by the beauty and resilience of the Louisiana Nature Reserve, if you've been moved by the dedication and passion of the people working to protect it, now is the time to act. You too can be a hero. Join the Conservation Crusade and help us protect the heartbeat of the wetlands.